Alright, so here's the deal. I'm in absolutely one of my favorite places to ride in Southern California, the Malibu Hills. And one of my favorite roads in the Malibu Hills is Tuna Canyon Road. Not only for the name, but because it's 7 miles of pure twisty roads from Topanga Canyon, aka Highway 27, all the way down to PCH. And the last 3 to 3.5 miles of this road are a one-way street. So you can just cruise and rip around these corners and don't have to worry about a minivan coming around a blind corner and ripping your head off or knocking you off the road. But enough of me talking, let's go ahead and ride. Alright, so making a left onto Fernwood Pacific Drive from Topanga Canyon Highway with Fire Station 69 on the right, nice. So Fernwood Pacific, this is what takes you up to Tuna Canyon Road. It's about 3-4 miles of super twisty, demanding road, very narrow as well, so a lot of it is going to be really tight, especially today. The sun's in my eyes a bit, so I've got to watch out for Lance Armstrong here on the right. But other than that, enjoy the ride. Alright, so I'm pulling up to the intersection of Tuna Canyon Road and Las Flores Heights Road, which is about the halfway point of this ride and easily the best view of the entire ride. It's one of my favorite places to just stop, sit, and think for a while and enjoy the view. So let's do just that. Okay, so all these cars you see parked along the side of the road are for the Tuna Canyon Trailhead, which is an out-and-back hike about 4 miles in length. I haven't done it myself, but I've heard really good things. But you have to take it pretty slow through this section. As you can see, there's a lot of cars parked, people walking along the side of the road. This area is still technically a two-way street, but we're only about a few hundred feet from where the road narrows down to a one-way road, and that's where it really starts to get fun. It's a little bit more crowded today than it usually is. If you come up here during the middle of the week, you can cruise through here by yourself and rip around the corners, not really worry about anything. But with today being Saturday, you can see there's a lot of cars, a lot of people out, so just be mindful. So we're pulling up to this gate right here, which is the official start of the one-way traffic. You can see it in the street right there. In this first corner, oh, it looks like we already have somebody that's lost or doesn't know what they're doing, can't read the road signs, whatever. This is where the twisties really start to get interesting and where I'll need to focus, so I'm going to go ahead and shut up and let you enjoy the ride. I've reached the end of Tuna Canyon Road. As you can see by the do not enter signs, it led all the way out to Pacific Coast Highway here in Malibu, California. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, all that other stuff YouTube people do, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Tuna Canyon Road is a Tuna Canyon Road. Tuna Canyon Road. Tuna Canyon Road. Tuna Canyon Road starts on, as you can see here by my hand gestures, awkward ones albeit.